Hello friends, welcome to learn CorelDRAW. Let us draw face of Mickey. Click on pick tool, then go to ellipse tool. Draw the circle. We want to draw is in oval shape. Okay. Again we want circle. Here we have to draw two circles, therefore here draw one circle and then copy paste it. Copy and paste. You can right click or you can also use shortcut keys Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Pick tool, drag this circle, fill it with color. Suppose here we choose this one color. Go to the color palette, click on color. Okay, now go to the arrange, shaping, click on shaping. Here we want to weld this shape, then here select the option weld. Suppose you want to copy or you want to keep the source and target object, then you can tick here. We don't want to keep the object, therefore remove the tick, weld to this one. Okay, this shape is ready. With the help of pick tool, let us place this shape over here and increase the size of shape. For both sides you have to press the shift key to increase the size from both sides. Okay. Again copy paste this shape, copy and paste. With the help of shift key, press the shift key and keep your cursor over here at the left corner of shape and then just resize the shape and give any other color. Here also hold the shift key and then increase the size from both sides. Okay. And for big circle, click on that circle and just give the black color. This is dark gray color, you can also use the black color. Okay. Now again one more circle we want. Click on ellipse tool. Let us close this. Draw the circle. Again fill it with color. You can choose color as per your choice. Here I take some gray shade. With the help of pick tool, select the shape, go to arrange and click on convert to curve, or you can also press the key Ctrl Q. Okay, let us zoom it with the help of mouse scroll. Now here we want to create two nodes. Go to the shape tool, double click over the line, then two nodes are created. Select the nodes with the help of shift tool and click on cups node. Okay, then let us drag this shape over here. You can also remove this node with the help of double click. Okay, I press here undo, one more undo. Okay, because I want like this shape. With the help of handler, let us adjust the shape as per your choice. Okay, now here take this shape, put this shape over here. You can also increase the size of, vertically increase the size of shape. Let us give here some faint color, light color. Okay, now here we want like this shape. With the help of shape tool, I just slightly adjust this shape. Okay, now it is display. Okay, now let us create like this shape, one more shape. For that, go to toolbox, click on pen tool. Here undo, here click point. You can use shift for the straight line and then just create the shape. Just click. We want to close this shape. Okay, now click on shape tool, select this shape, go to convert to curve, and just we want to remove all this curve. Select the curve, select these nodes with the help of shape tool like this, and just double click here. Now you can simply adjust the shape. If you don't want pen tool, then you can use tool as per your choice. Okay, this shape is ready. Now let us create one more shape. Here again click on the toolbox, click on 3-point curve. Here is the point. Okay, now with the help of shape tool, you can edit this shape, and we want here increase the width of this line. Go to here outline width. Okay, now here zoom it with the help of mouse scroll. Let us fill this shape with shade. Then go to the toolbox, click on interactive fill tool. Let us create the shade. Here we want again gray shade. Okay, and then properly you have to attach this shape to this line with the help of shape tool. Just remove the undo. Just properly move the node. Use the handler to properly set the shape. Again move the node. Use handler to properly set the shape. Okay, let us see how it look. Okay, it is okay. Now the next task is create the eyes. For that, click on ellipse, draw the shape. Again we have to click on interactive fill tool, drag the cursor over here, and here select radial. Let us keep it over here. Okay, now put the shape here. Again click on the interactive fill tool, zoom it. Okay, it is okay. Now right click on this shape, go to the order, click behind, and click on this big shape. Now just copy paste this shape with the help of Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Move this shape with the help of arrow key. right click on this shape, go to the order behind this big shape. Okay, now let us create the ears. Click on ellipse, click on pick tool, click on the center and just slightly rotate it. Okay, fill it with color. You can also use this color. Now go to the mesh fill, increase the number of here rows as well as columns. Now we want these 3 nodes. Here use the suppose white color. Click this node, click this node. Okay, you can adjust the shape. Now put it over here. If you want to change the color, then give the, but again if you want to change the color, then you have to again set the mesh tool. With the help of mesh tool, or you can also use the shift to select the multiple nodes. Okay, I think it is okay. Now just copy paste this shape and now click on the mirror button. Here we want horizontal mirror. Okay, let us adjust this. Adjust it properly. Here I use arrow key. Now you can also remove the outline of this shape. Then click on shape, go to the color palette, no fill, right click there. Here also right click there. You can also move the slightly this shape. Okay, after that select the whole shape with the help of pick tool and Ctrl G for grouping the shape. You can also use the different color, you can also use the different tools. Like this you can simply create the shape. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. If you like this shape, then you can share the video, you can like it, and I would like to request you to subscribe the channel. Thank you.